Hi, my name is Mike Hendricks, and I work here at MarineMax in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a look at this 2024 Grady-White 235 Freedom. It is shown in coastal fog blue. It is equipped with the Yamaha F300 with the digital electric steering. Let's take a minute and go inside and see the options that are available. Starting at the back on this 235 Freedom. Again, F300, digital electric steering. This boat has some nice fish boxes back here at the back. There are also storage boxes. You can use this for your secondary anchor if you're at the boat beach, or it's insulated so you can use it to put sodas or beverages of choice back here. You also have a nice retractable ski tow pylon, live well, and fish box or cooler. Again, insulated boxes, both of those. Walking through the transom door. Again, battery switches. You have a fold down, fold up seat. You can see how this is a lounge. This is retractable, but in this configuration, you have a corner couch style configuration. Moving forward, digital electric steering and digital throttle and shift. You have a saltwater head in this boat, holding tank, overboard discharge. Three-sided enclosure, color matched underneath of the hardtop to match the side of the boat, which again is coastal fog blue, and recessed lighting. Lots of room moving forward. Again, you have fish boxes either side. This is actually fish box on this side. This is for storage. It also has a door that moves forward that allows you to put rod storage that would be in the head area. If you have any more questions on this boat or others, please give us a call here at MarineMax, Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.